Alright guys, so if you have BMW or Minis and you've done your timing chain or other works, let's say changed valve stem seals, and you had to take off the camshafts and later redo the timing, so it might that the tension is different and so on. So what you have to do is reset the valvetronic unit, and to do that you will need one of these. So I'm using the Foxwell NT530 Plus in UK, and it did the job for me. To reset it also you need to buy the BMW specific one. So it comes with preloaded BMW codes. Later you follow the instructions to register it online, and basically it activates all of your codes. So once it's updated, this is a newer version. NT510 was before you could do that as well, but NT530 it has Wi-Fi as well. It's easier to update it. So as you see, it has a BMW logo, or at the bottom I have BMW and Minis. I can click on F3, Smart VIN. It will just find my VIN from the echo. It will read my echo and come back with information about the vehicle. So here it is. Again, I press F3. Now it comes to confirm the details, but this is the car. F3 again, yes. Now it's loading the data. So to reset the adaptations for valvetronic unit, you go to Services, Powertrain, second one, Engine Electronics, hit Enter, and adjustments. Up and down, Enter, and later you don't want relearn valvetronic limit positions. You want to delete adaptations. You go on the fourth one, and later second one, delete adaptations, variable camshaft timing control. You hit OK. The engine has to be switched off, and you have to switch on ignition so the light is on, and later you just, next step is click F3, and there'll be kind of one more step. It will just guide you through, and it says test is completed. Basically it will delete the adaptations. Before I bought it, I would get an error that the timing is out, but once I've deleted the adaptations, it's all good now. The car works as it should. Previously I thought maybe I got the timing wrong on my Mini. I double checked the timing with the tool, everything was spot on, and later looked through what else it is, and yeah, I forgot that you need to delete adaptations, and this tool helped me out. Hope it helps for someone else. Thanks for watching.